Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can send Facebook lead details to Google Hangouts automatically. So let's take an example that you are a business owner and you have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. Now you want that whenever any of your customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically the details of the customer should be shared with your team on Google Hangouts platform that they have received a new lead. And the customer details like his name, email address, phone number and all other details should be shared along with that message. For this, we need to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Hangouts so that whenever the form is filled, automatically the details are shared on the Google Hangouts. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with Google Hangouts automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Facebook Lead Ads to Google Hangouts Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to send the Facebook lead details to Google Hangouts. So open this trigger window and choose the application name as Facebook Lead Ads. Select the trigger event as New Lead Instant Beta. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Facebook Lead Ads. Authorization successful. And now the Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect is because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here we have to select the page name. So I have already created some pages in my Facebook account and we are going to access this Pabbly Tech page right now. So we have to select the same page name over here, that is Pabbly Tech. And in this particular page, I have created some forms, that is the lead generation forms. So I'll be selecting this Pabbly form right here for the integration. And here you have to select your lead generation form. Now the page access token is automatically captured, so we are not going to make any changes. And now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. Do you wish to resend the request again? Let's click on Yes. And now we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So let's move to the Facebook lead ad form. And here let us fill in the details. Let's give the first name as Adam. Last name as Smith. Email address as smith123@gmail.com. And let's add the phone number. Click on Next. And submit. Thanks, you're all set. So the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the customer through the form submission are captured over here. First name as Adam, last name as Smith, his email address and the mobile number. So now we want to share these lead details on Google Hangouts. For that, come to this action step. Choose the application name as Google Hangouts or Chat. Select the action event as create message. Click on connect. Now here it is asking for the chat webbook URL. For that, I'll take you to my Google Hangouts account where I have already created some rooms, that is Pabbly Team and Pabbly Connect. So now I want all the messages to be displayed on this particular room named Pabbly Connect. So I'll be creating an integration between this particular space or the room and Pabbly Connect. For that, I'll just click on this small arrow sign and click on Manage Webbooks button. Now here we are going to add another webbook. Let's click on Add Another. Here we have to give a name. So let us give it as Facebook Leads. And let's click on Save. And here we can see that a new webbook has been saved. Let's copy this webbook URL from here and we will be pasting the same webbook URL over here. Okay. Now it is asking for the message. So let us enter the message as new lead received. And let us enter the details over here. Let us enter customer details. Okay. And after that, let us map the name of the customer. And after that, email address as well as the mobile number. Okay. And here we are going to map the details of the customer which we have already received through the Facebook lead ad form submission. All these details. So let us map them one by one. First, let us map the name. Come to Facebook lead ads and let us map the name, that is Adam, as well as the last name, that was Smith. In the same way, we will be mapping the email address. Come to Facebook lead ads and let us map the email address. And at last, let us map the mobile number. So we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means the message is delivered on your Google Chat or Google Hangouts platform. Let's check it. And we can see a new message over here. Bot name as Facebook Leads and message as new lead received. Customer details are name Adam Smith, his email address as well as the mobile number. And in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Hangouts, next time whenever any of your customers is going to fill your Facebook lead ad form, automatically the messages will get delivered on your Google Hangouts platform. So let's check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll move to my Facebook lead ad forms once again. And let us fill in the details on the name of some other customer this time. Let's give the first name as Gary, last name as Monroe, email address as garymonroe677@gmail.com, and here I'm just going to add the phone number and click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. So the form has been filled. Now let us check our Google Hangouts. Okay, and here we have got a new message, new lead received. Customer details are name Gary Monroe, his email address, along with that the mobile number. So in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission, and using those details, automatically a new message was delivered to your team on Google Hangouts. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Hangouts using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.